Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial: how to remove a follower on Twitter in 2025. Whether you're tidying up your feed or protecting your privacy, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, open the Twitter app or head to the website and log into your account. Twitter, now known as X, has made some updates by 2025, but the core process remains user-friendly. Start by navigating to your profile. From there, tap on the Followers tab to see the list of people following you. Once you spot the follower you want to remove, click on their username to visit their profile. On their page, look for the three-dot menu icon. It's usually in the top right corner. Give that a tap. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option that says Block or something similar, depending on any interface changes. Select Block, and Twitter will prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm it. By blocking them, you've effectively removed them as a follower instantly. But if you don't want a permanent block, here's a pro tip. After blocking, you can immediately unblock them. To do this, go back to their profile or search for them, and you'll see an Unblock button. Hit that, and poof, they're removed as a follower without any hard feelings. Remember, this method keeps things simple and respects Twitter's evolving policies. It's a great way to maintain a positive online space. If you're dealing with spam or harassment, consider reporting the account too. That's an extra layer of safety. There you have it. Removing a follower on Twitter in 2025 is straightforward and empowers you to curate your experience. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.